I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, and here are 5 natural remedies for constipation. Eat 20 to 35 grams of fiber daily from sources such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, and more. In addition to eating a diet rich in plant foods, I love adding a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to my smoothie for a boost of 2.8 grams of fiber. Beans are another great way to boost fiber intake. 1 cup of lentils has 13 grams of fiber. Dehydration can lead to constipation. Drink water and herbal teas to improve stool bulk and elimination. It's really as simple as moving your body to help move your stools. Reversely, staying stagnant may contribute to stagnant stools. Magnesium is a natural muscle relaxant and can help to relax digestive muscles to ease bowel movements. External castor oil packs can help bring circulation to the gastrointestinal area to support bowel health. Did you know that you can have a bowel movement every day and still be constipated? If you've ever experienced hard to pass stools, straining to have a bowel movement, abdominal discomfort, a distended stomach, gas, bloating, nausea, or a loss of appetite, you may be constipated. You can learn more tips to naturally relieve and prevent constipation on the iHerb blog.